Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to reset sound settings in Windows 10 and help you fix common audio problems quickly and easily. Step 1. Click on the Start menu located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where you access system tools and settings needed to manage Windows services. Step 2. Type services into the search bar. This helps you quickly find the Services app, which controls background processes related to audio and other system functions. Step 3. Click on Services from the search results. This opens a window listing all the services running on your Windows 10 PC. Step 4. Scroll down the list and right-click on Windows Audio. This service is responsible for handling all sound output and input on your computer. Step 5. Click on Restart from the menu. Restarting this service refreshes the audio system and often fixes sound-related problems instantly. Step 6. Now right-click on Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. This service works alongside Windows Audio to manage audio devices and connections. Step 7. Click on Restart again. Restarting this service completes the audio reset process and helps restore proper sound functionality. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.